What's up, everybody? I'm the Homeschool Dad, and welcome back to another edition of Quick Tips for Homeschooling. Today's tip is going to be the smoothies. As you already know, I make smoothies just about every single day for Zakai, and I've been making smoothies for over 2 decades. I have 3 other kids, and I've been making smoothies for them as well. All right, look, today's smoothie is very simple. My main objective of this smoothie is to get the dark green, leafy green vegetables in their system. This is spinach, organic spinach, and organic carrots in his system, okay? This is highly nutritious. It's got vitamin K in it for the eyes. And of course, you already know I rock with the blueberries, the organic blueberries. I rock with that. And I rock with the organic mango, okay? And organic banana, all right? Let's get started, all right? We're gonna do this here. And you know it's funny, I'm gonna tell you this is funny because I do this anyway. This is gonna go upstairs to Zakai, and I'm doing it while Zakai is in homeschool. So it's not like I set aside anything and just do it. No, I do it while I'm doing his homeschool, and this is part of his program, right? Nutrition. I am responsible, and I forgot to tell you guys that you are responsible for your kids' health when you homeschool your kids. So please make sure that you give them nutritious food. All right, it is an absolute must. It's like I said, it's going to help them work better. You know what I'm saying? Way better. The brain capacity. I'm telling you, it's the brain food, the vitamin K, the eyes. You got the spinach. You know, you got the iron. This stuff is great. All right. Once again, let's get started. I should have chilled this. Yeah, I forgot to chill it. That's all right. It's gonna be cold. All right, we're gonna put a little bit of that mango juice. That should be good right there. All right. Now I have to cut up the bananas, the carrots. So I mean that's the main objective, to get this in their system, right? So what I'm gonna do is cut up these carrots, and then first thing, let's get some of these greens in there. I could have pre-cut the carrots, but you know what? I didn't. Sorry. Okay, boom. There we go. All right, now we're ready to get this in here. Now this is the one that makes it get a little what you call it? Thick. It gets thick with the carrots. So I will adjust as we go. So this one's pretty thick because I have a lot of carrots in it. So what normally I do is I take it, I pour a little bit because I want to get the blueberries, more blueberries, because it's also cold, the blueberries. So about that much, and then I want to put a lot of blueberries in there. So you will find when you do this smoothie that it will get thick with the carrots, but just, you know, pour a little out, and you're going to put blueberries in there. Now, if you have ice, put some ice in there, okay? The ice will make it nice and cold. That's the thing, is to make it cold, nice and cold, so they can drink it. So basically what you do is adjust to get it to the right texture that you want. Trust me, you don't want to give them thick smoothie, right? Because they probably ain't gonna drink the thickness. The thick smoothie, one thing about the thick smoothie is if they leave it there and they're playing video games, it'll go into like you have to spin it again, right? So don't want that. You want to get it a little liquidy in between, you know what I mean? So this one here, because I had to add some more water, I had a little bit more mango, but for the most part, I put water to pretty much dilute it and break it up. But you still got the nutritional. All right, we good. This is great. And the thing about it is, I got the spinach in there and I got the carrots in there. This is the moment of truth. We gonna taste this right here. This is mine anyway. This is a mess here. What's going on? So that's my smoothie. This is a Kai smoothie. So let's taste it and see how it tastes. Okay, this is really good. Did you see how I adjusted it? And I put a lot more blueberries in there for the cold. But for you don't have to put that many blueberries in there like that. You could get ice and put ice in there, but I put more blueberries in there. Ain't gonna do nothing but help them. Good stuff. I'm gonna run this up to Zakai. About right there, I told him right there. Right? So, and this is a big cup. So you have to understand, he'll drink all this. Literally, he'll drink all of this. He probably will like this one. All right? So that's how you make this smoothie. With just a recap, we had the organic mango, organic blueberry, organic banana, organic spinach, right? And the organic carrots. Now, all of this I got from Costco. All right? So just to let you know, they have these products. You know what I'm saying? I'm really happy that they have the organic blueberries. It really helps us out a lot. And that concludes this video. Now, I'm going to see you in the next video. In the next video, I'm going to have something else for you. All right? Once again, I'm the Homeschool Dad. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell a friend about me. They can learn a lot here on this channel. I mean, a lot of stuff here can definitely benefit them and their homeschool kid as well. All right? I'm the Homeschool Dad. I'll see you in the next video.